Here are 3 AI tools I use every day. Perplexity AI. This tool is great for research, regardless if you need to look up something quickly or do more complex study on a topic. Perplexity allows you to browse the entire internet or focus on specific websites like Wikipedia, Wolfram Alpha, YouTube. It even lets you play the videos in the app so you don't have to leave the page. You can also upload PDFs and ask questions or turn on the Copilot for more advanced search. Claude AI. I use this tool for my writing and it completely replaced ChatGPT. Sorry ChatGPT Maxis, didn't mean to hurt your feelings. But Claude sounds more natural, remembers the chat history, and it knows my writing style so well that it comes with suggestions without me even asking for. ClipDrop. Whether I need to generate a picture, clean unwanted objects from an image, quickly remove a background, or upscale an image, this is my to-go tool. And I forgot to mention, all of these are free.